Find the slope and the y-intercept. Negative 5y minus 2x equals 7. If we solve this equation for y, we can read the slope and the y-intercept directly from the equation. So let's do that, beginning by adding 2x to both sides. That gives us negative 5y equals 2x plus 7. And now we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1/5. We have negative 1/5 times negative 5y equals negative 1/5 times 2x plus 7. Negative 1/5 times negative 5 is 1. So we have y equals negative 1/5 times 2 is negative 2/5. X, negative 1/5 times 7 would be negative 7/5. Now this is in the form y equals mx plus b, where m is negative 2/5 and b is negative 7/5. So we can write directly from there then that the slope, which is m, is negative 2/5, and the y-intercept, which is going to be 0b, is thus the point 0, negative 7/5.